Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Everand app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here, and you just click here on account. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on notification settings, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on notification categories here. Then you come to this list here. You come here to new magazine issues here. Just click in this sign, or sorry, we will go back. Just come here to magazine issues. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here new magazine issues notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.